India reportedly used Israeli-made Harop drones in its attacks on Pakistan during the May 2025 escalation. Here's what we know about the drones deployed. IAI Harop, loitering munition, type kamikaze drone, suicide drone, manufacturer Israel Aerospace Industries IAI. Capabilities, can hover for up to 6 hours before striking a target. Range approximately 200 kilometers, or 120 miles. Designed to self-destruct upon hitting the target, equipped with electro-optical sensors for precision strikes. Deployment India reportedly used Harop drones to target Pakistani air defense radars and military installations, including one in Lahore. Pakistan claimed to have shot down 25 Indian drones, many of which were Harop models. Other drones in India's arsenal, potential use, IAI Heron and Searcher Mark II, reconnaissance and strike, used for surveillance but can guide missile strikes. Sky Striker, Indo-Israeli loitering munition, reportedly used in Operation Sindoor for deep strikes inside Pakistan. Significance of drone warfare in the conflict. This marked the first large-scale drone war between nuclear-armed neighbors, with both sides deploying UAVs for strikes and counterstrikes. India's use of loitering munitions like Harop reflects a shift towards standoff precision strikes without risking manned aircraft. Based on the latest reports from May 2025, Pakistan has primarily used indigenous and Chinese or Turkish-made drones in its strikes against India during the recent escalation. Here are the key drones identified. Burraq, indigenous loitering munition, type kamikaze drone, suicide drone, capabilities, designed for precision strikes against high-value targets, equipped with electro-optical sensors for target acquisition. Pakistan claimed to have used these drones in retaliatory strikes against Indian military installations. Shahpar, indigenous UAV, type reconnaissance and strike drone, capabilities, medium altitude, long endurance, male UAV, can carry guided munitions for offensive operations. Used for surveillance and guiding missile strikes in Indian-administered Kashmir. Turkish Bayraktar TB2, type combat drone, known for its effectiveness in conflicts like Ukraine and Libya, it can carry laser-guided bombs and anti-tank missiles. Deployment reportedly used in strikes along the line of control OC. Chinese CH-4, also known as Rainbow 4. This is an armed reconnaissance drone, similar to the US MQ-9 Reaper. It can conduct precision strikes with air-to-ground missiles. The CH-4 drone is allegedly deployed to target Indian military positions in Kashmir. Pakistan's drone fleet is a mix of indigenous, Burraq, Shahpar and imported, Turkish Bayraktar, Chinese CH-4 systems. Unlike India's reliance on Israeli drones, for example, Harop, Pakistan has diversified its UAV arsenal with Turkish and Chinese models. Reports suggest Pakistan launched hundreds of drones in waves, some of which were intercepted by Indian air defenses. The May 2025 escalation marked a significant shift in the India-Pakistan conflict, with drones playing a central role. The use of these unmanned aerial vehicles highlights the evolving nature of modern warfare and the strategic importance of drone technology.